Hey guys, what's up? So it's your boy YashvirGaming. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, I would like you to kill murder and smash that little subscribe button and also ring that bell notification. Okay, so without any further ado, guys, today I'm going to show you how you're gonna properly install Composer on Windows 11. Okay, so well, basically all you gotta do is to search for Composer. All right, just go to the click the download, and you're gonna see the download and run composer.exe. All right, just download it. All right, extract to your desktop. All right, should look like this. But if you don't have IDM, which is Internet Download Manager, then all your downloads, if you're using Chrome, it's going to be dropped down right here. Then you can press Ctrl J to download, to show in folder, and you gotta browse to your downloads. You browse to your download directory on your PC. That means you go into your downloads and drag and drop it onto your desktop. Okay, all right, so to install this, guys, it will ask you a PHP. Okay, so to get a PHP, you can install to get the php.exe, you can install this XAMPP. Okay, so this is for Windows latest version. So I'm just gonna click download right here. Okay, download will start automatically if it doesn't click here. So I'm gonna wait like a few seconds. All right, so pop up. As you can see, we are currently downloading the XAMPP. So I'm gonna install the XAMPP first. Okay, important. All right, hit next. Okay, so where you'd like to install it in your C drive. Okay, so yeah, all right, so once it's finished, you're gonna see this, uncheck this and click finish, and now simply double click this. Okay, run the installer mode, and you'll have two options: install for me only or for all users. So let's click this. If prompted, hit yes. And you don't need, if you're gonna work in developer mode, then you gotta take it, but nope, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so once you hit next, you're gonna see this, the C drive, the location will be added default. Okay, automatically it's going to pop up right here. But if you did not install the XAMPP, okay, this thing will be blank, and when you click next, it won't let you. Okay, all right, so once you see this, just click add this PHP to your path and then hit next. All right, if you have a proxy server, like if you want to connect to the internet, so just hit next, install. All right, so yeah, after this finish, you can click here to view online documentation, but if not, now you can right click, delete this Composer setup. Now just type in CMD. We gotta verify if the Composer has installed or not. So just write Composer. All right, so basically you'll have to run CMD as admin and then write Composer. All right, so if you see this right here, if you see this UI, which this Composer and all of this, so that means the Composer has been successfully installed onto your PC, onto your Windows 11. All right, so yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe. And if you do have any question, leave me a comment down below. Okay, thanks so much for watching, guys.